Today we're gonna make hilopitas juvetzi, which is pasta and tomato. It's this easy one-pan dinner. This is an easy dinner recipe. We're gonna take 1 pint of grape tomatoes right in our baking dish. I have the oven preheating at 350. I'm gonna chop up some garlic, just 1 clove. Add that to our tomatoes. We're gonna do a pinch of salt and a pinch of pepper and 1/4 cup of olive oil right on top. Super easy, that's all you need to do. And now we're gonna pop it in the oven for about 30 minutes. So we've taken our tomatoes out of the oven. Look at this. They look amazing. I'm gonna smash them up a little. You can smell the garlic, olive oil, and the tomato. We're gonna add our hilopitas. So you can add orzo to this as well, but I have these delicious egg noodle hilopitas from 776. We will put the link below so that you'll be able to purchase them at home as well. So I'm gonna take this. This is a pretty heavy container. So I'm only gonna use 2 cups of this. So I'm gonna open this up and we're gonna measure out 2 cups. We're gonna add that right to our dish. Another cup. And now we're gonna add our water. So we're gonna do 2.5 cups of hot water. I'm gonna add that. And we're gonna do a teaspoon of salt and a 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. And now we're gonna mix this really well before we put this back in the oven. And so this is a really easy dish I know it takes a little bit of time in the oven, but you know, multitasking moms at home, you can throw those tomatoes in, put the timer for 30 minutes, probably put in a load of laundry, a load in the dishwasher, and then you can add this pasta and water. And we're gonna put it back in the oven for 25 minutes and then dinner is ready. So we're gonna mix this well all together. Look at that. Simple, I love that it's in 1 pan. It's easy to clean at the end. So we're gonna put this right here. We're gonna put this back in the oven, 350 for 25 minutes. So I've taken our pasta and tomato out of the oven. I'm gonna mix this up. So now that I've mixed all of this together, I'm gonna drizzle a little bit more olive oil on top right before I'm serving this. And I, of course, wanna add feta. So that's an optional thing that you could do. I have here Sani feta that I will have the link below where you guys can purchase that Sani feta at home. So I have a little dish here, scoop this out. We're gonna top this with a little feta on top. Delicious. For the full recipe, visit nikkigleckis.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram for great photos and other entertaining tips.